So I got this monster truck recently, and like any normal person, I thought to myself, I can put it in a game. Oh, didn't see you there. I know. You're probably wondering, Maracus, why are you in space? Well, after the performance of my last few videos, I asked God to take me away from this planet, and now I can't come back until one of my videos does well. So you better subscribe that button, like push that button subscribe right now. Anyways, today we are making a monster truck game, so let's get into it. I'm starting with prototyping the monster truck first to get the driving feel right because that's what important in any driving game, and there should be no reason on why this shouldn't work. Well, looks like it's not working. Okay, I think I fixed the bug now and it should work now, but it doesn't look good. Oh god, what is this I have done? Yeah, it's definitely something I have made. Okay, after hours of frustration, I decided to remake the vehicle, and this one should work. I took help from this tutorial. Great guy, and let's see if it is working. And you know what? This is not bad. Is this will do the job, I guess. And yeah, I guess we can move on to our next step. Although sometimes this car gets possessed and starts spinning. So yeah, but nothing big, nothing that I cannot fix, right? And now it's time to model the monster truck. I found this model online which I think would work if I can just take its wheel. So I yoinked the wheel from that model and put it in my vehicle, and this happened. Yeah, you did this, not me. We are in this together. You and me did this, whatever this is. I don't know if monster trucks are supposed to walk like monsters. This is this is not me. I cannot take responsibility for this. I might have to delete the channel after this. After failing to use an existing monster truck model, I decided to get one made for myself, and I got this. Now I know what you are thinking, Moracus, how did you end up with this Roblox F looking monster truck model? Well, it went something like this. Hey, is this a modeling shop? Looks like it, buddy. Can you make a model of a monster truck for me? Something like this? Sure, that would be $100. But I only have 5. Okay, let me see what I can do. Thanks, here's $5.
A few moments later.
Here you go. But this doesn't look like what I showed. And this doesn't look like $100 to me. But, yep. And that's how we ended up with this model. So we are gonna use it because I have already paid for it. $5 though. But that's what I had. This is what the model looks like in the game. And it drives and feels quite well. And by quite well I mean it sometimes turns upside down. And yeah. And now it's time to design the level. It was actually a very tedious process at first because I was placing the assets manually by hand one by one. And I thought to myself there has to be a better way. And then I found the glorious grid map. But Murakas, what is this grid map you are so fancy about? Well, grid map actually allows you to paint the asset directly on your meshes, so you don't have to place them one by one, which makes it easy to design levels and stuff like that. And this is what the game look like right now. So we can drive around, and climb on ramps, climb on ramps, climb on ramps, climb on ramps, and apparently we can fly. Yeah, so we need to fix that. So I added a mechanism to flip the vehicle in the air so it doesn't fly around as much. And this is what the level 1 look like right now. I also want to add some particles like speed lines and stuff, so when the truck catches speed we get lines in the air, you know what I mean, right? So I decided to use Godot's particle system, which at first didn't work and looked like this, but eventually I got this effect, which was pretty cool, I think. Oh, and I also made another map which definitely had some issues.
Nope.
Yeah. And now it's time to make UI, which is my favorite thing to do because it makes me wanna kill myself. Needless to say, I hate it. Probably more than your dad hates you. That was a joke. I'm sorry. He probably doesn't hate you. Does my dad hate me? I don't know. Probably not. And this is what the final UI looks like. I mean, it's not bad. It could be worse, honestly. But Murakus, where is the rest of the game? I didn't make it because I did not know what to make further, honestly, and I got tired and I wanted to make this video. So, if you guys want me to make the rest of the game, do let me know. Otherwise, I will move to a next project. Thank you. Bye bye.